Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a follow. Give us a thumbs up. It helps to drive the algorithm. And we need the followers. We are primarily a Rumble channel. Well, that's looks like the end of the raspberry bush. It's one raspberry left over from last evening. Another one there, not quite ready. Yeah. That's the cycle. We are into the second week of August. Now, let's start over here with our pepper plant. With the weird pepper, the longest growing pepper plant ever. Well, pepper plants take long to grow, but I mean, by the time you get them in the spring and put them in a pot, you'd think you would have a pepper start growing before the end of July and actually be a pepper by August. No? Okay. All right, well, let's go into our other plants. The tomato plants are doing just fine. And the pepper plants, which are really good for the canning that I've been doing. Mostly banana peppers is what I've been using. I have had some of these other peppers in there. All depends on how I'm feeling. All right, let's go past the zucchini. So the potato plants, the tops have just started to discolor for the ones in ground. They've been doing rather well. Oh, I thought I got all the weeds out yesterday. Oh, is that soil really dry, eh? I think I'll come over and give this some water. Stupid hot these days. Very, very hot. It's going to be hot 3-4 days again. It's been hot the last 3-4 days. No rain, zero rain. Everything is a tinderbox. That's no pun intended with the garden boxes. Potatoes I dug up yesterday were all disease free. No wormholes. Wormhole technology. No, there was no deep space station near it. Our onions are still growing there. We reseeded a couple of weeks ago after the first harvest. And now hopefully we won't get surprised by something like this. Oh my goodness me. See, this is way too big. I can't pickle this. Okay, so you're not gonna make it. Can't believe I missed another zucchini. This is the worst year for me letting zucchinis overgrow. You know, and I'm actually out here practically every day. Well, I am every day. What am I saying? Practically. I can't do these videos every day without being out here every day. There you go. You're getting pulled. All right. Oh, I can smell critter pea now. That's good. Critters hanging around. Let's make sure we're not going to get surprised here. No? Now we got some zucchinis growing over here. Nope. Not seeing anything. Okay, great. Now, of course, I've been surprised by other zucchinis growing in here, like this. That's what happens when you let those zucchinis grow. Wasn't quite sure. A few zucchini seeds ended up in the squash plant. I actually harvested one, and of course, I missed the other one on this other side too, right? I don't think. Yeah, that's off the same, or no, it's a different vine. It's a different vine, but yet it could be another zucchini that I just didn't get in time, right? The big green ones. Is that the same vine? Trying to follow it here. It's hard to tell, eh? Oh well. How we doing in here? No surprises, just the gourds. Yeah. Oh, many gourds. Very nice. And yeah, that one right there, right? I think that's another zucchini that I missed. I got to do a better job next year of policing my seeds. Like this, right? All this zucchini vine growth. When you accidentally think they're a squash, and then you just let them grow. Well, as you can see, I'm getting a lot of healthy growth, just not getting to it in time. The carrots are ready for harvest. They're within their growth picking period, between 70 and 90 days. I've been munching on a few of them every day now. Nice raw carrots. I don't know if you're aware or not, but when you pull fresh veggies out of the ground, you get about 3 days. 3 days to eat them raw to get the full vitamin use out of them. Then after 3 days, they start to disappear. The vitamins and minerals start to vanish because the plant has to feed itself, and then it stops. You lose about 80%. Then, of course, out of that remaining, if you cook it, you're going to lose even more. So if you eat your crops within 3 days, you get the maximum efficiency out of them. All right, let's go in the front. Have a look at Butch. Filming a little later this morning, my phone vanished on me again. I have to get the neighbor to call it. It's very, very annoying. Oh God. That little, I hope that's not the ones that lays the bindvore eggs down at the base. But I wasn't screwing around this time. I decided to go ahead and bury the vine anyway. I'm not gonna wait for it to be attacked. Same thing with the other one. There was attacked over there, bed again. Any fresh zucchini? Not yet. Flowers there. Let's hope they get... Oh, look at Butch. Look at you, Butch. Yeah, got a little butchette. Wow. Tiny flowers. Tiny seeds. Yes, so we let's get in that box. And what happened here? Right. So I buried the vine here, and you can see what was going on, right? Just went all yellow, something got in there, and then it starts to killing them off. So buried it, and then it perked right up. So it is getting water. Same thing with this one. I think it might have worked. Oh yes, you can see the vine roots from the zucchini. Excellent. I hope it's a zucchini root, but looks like it saved it. Yeah. Now we just have to keep the crazy morning glories from choking it out. What's going on here? Oh, I see. Ooh. There we go. Why? Just stick to the string. There we go. Well, let's make our way out. And what's going on here? All right. Step out of here. And our morning glories are glorious. Oh, look at this one. Got a little mix of the two colors. Cross-pollination between the pink and the purple. Goes all the way up. Of course, it's flowering right at the best spot too. Look at that, eh? Very nice. Of course, our other giant sunflowers are getting huge, especially this fella next to Butch. Very nice. Well, if you hung out till the end, I really appreciate it. Here we are into the second week of August. I love summer, and I always miss it when it's gone. But it's good to take advantage and put in a few crops for yourself. I've seen this recession coming for years. Well, you guys have a great weekend, and it's a beautiful Saturday. Here it is anyway. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.